Guys, welcome back everybody. We're here at Smoky Cape Lighthouse. We've spotted that on the way into Southwest Rocks, so we're just going to head up there and have a bit of a look around. So just turn these around, give us a look. It's a nice little look out there. You got these camera holders to take a selfie on there. It's pretty cool. So let's take a walk up the hill and check out the lighthouse up the top there. Got some beautiful lookouts as you're walking around. Obviously heading up to a lighthouse that's going to look pretty good. That's very nice. I'll take some photos and add them in as well. As you can see, it's a pretty steep walk up the hill there. As you can see, there's a couple of islands, one out there. Just doing a scan around, pretty much like the lighthouse will. Some rocks and another little island bit there, and another one out in that direction. And we're standing at the bottom of a pretty cool lighthouse. So I head back down, and there's a couple of cottages on the way up, so we're going to check those out on the way. Here's a sign with a bit of information on the Smoky Cape Lighthouse. Come around the back of the lighthouse here, and they got the real old style pump in your water. Well, look at it. I don't know if she works. No. Pretty cool though. Don't see that around anymore. A great little spot to check out though. See what else is around Southwest Rocks, and I know they have a bit of diving and things like that off here, and beaches look really nice. So come check it out. We're going to go and check out a bit more of this little lookout down the bottom, and head on into town and see what they have to offer in there. You've got these little cottages here, which we'll just have a bit of a look at first. I actually think it might be the lighthouse operator's house, one of them. I think they are private. Oh no, bed and breakfast cottage, there you go. So if you want to go stay in a bed and breakfast cottage up at the lighthouse, there's the phone number and the information about it. 3 bedrooms, sleep 6. Actually even got a kangaroo in the backyard. Not sure if you can spot him up there just to the left of the fence that you can see. It's pretty cool. Nice little cottage, and this is the view you get a look at. Not bad at all. Very nice. It's a bit of a hill to walk up and down though. I think they'd be allowed to drive their cars up here, but that's the walk up the hill you have to the lighthouse. Quite steep. Not sure how well the camera shows it, but it is a quite steep walk up. And then you get another cottage just here as well. Self-contained cottage. Each sleeps 8. So there's the phone number and look up the information if you're interested. Be a great spot. Have a couple of days away, a weekend or two. But yeah, let's head on down to the lookout and we'll check that out. Some nice little barbecue and some tables here overlooking the beach and island out there. Not sure what the island's name is, so that's walking out to the lookout part. Not sure how far this track actually goes. Yeah, they've got some toilets here, lots of tables around. Absolute beautiful spot. So far, Southwest Rocks is looking really nice. Like it. So they've got a walking trail here, 5.5 k's to Little Bay. It's a grade 3. But we decided to just walk back to the car and grab the drone and see if we can put that up before it gets any windier, instead of walking all the way through there. I think we'll leave that to next time. So what we can see so far, a couple of real estates, news agent, butcher, supermarket, bank, just a couple of knick-knack shops. Seabreeze Beach Hotel here on the side. Got raffles on in there too. A couple of signs for some fishing charters. Good fishing around here, so put them up, and if you're interested in a fish, go and see them. So we've had a bit of a look around Southwest Rocks, up to Smoky Cape, to the lighthouse there, out to one of the beaches, had a bit of a look around there. Found a bit of town shopping part, so had a bit of a walk around in there too. As we were driving out, we found a IGA shopping centre, a Coles shopping centre too. So they've got Liquorland, things like that here too. Seems reasonably sized of an area. Hell of a lot of choice for caravan parks and accommodation. We've seen probably 4 different caravan parks off head, I think it was. They all look quite spacious and quite nice. So come on down and check out Southwest Rocks. It's a great spot.